Welcome back, nail crew. I have some new tips for Tuesday, and if you want to see me try these new nail tips out, then keep watching. Alrighty, nail crew. I have some goodies from Modelones again. Oh my gosh, I have so many things to show you guys from Modelones. I don't even know where to start. But today I'm going to show you guys this soft moisturizing hand cream. And then I also have some tips. I'll do the tips last because that's going to be a whole production. But anyway, when I do someone's nails, I always massage their hands with lotion. I don't use a specific cream or anything like that. So when Modelones reached out to me and asked me to try their hand cream, I was like, sure, that's definitely going to be an upgrade from the lotion that I use. Now, lotion is really good. There's no shade on people that use lotion. But a hand cream is made specifically for your hands, and it's supposed to leave feeling softer. It's supposed to feeling more moisturized and things like that. So I'm interested to see how this is going to go, to see if I like it better than my Walmart lotion that I've been using. So I'm showing you guys the entire package as always. And this is a big box for hand cream. So let's just dive on in and see what we have here. So they are three different containers of the hand cream. Let's just go for this one right here in the middle. It's so cute, guys. It is so cute. So the lotion that I use is kind of like a pump bottle. So you can't really travel with it because if you put it in your bag, you're gonna make a mess. So this one you could travel, like you could just throw it in your bag. Let's just give it an open and a little sniff and see what we're working with. It does have a little seal. I'm gonna pop that off and then screw this cap back on and then give it a sniff. Let's just see what it smells like. All right. It's nice and thick. And it doesn't smell like, it smells like cream. That's so weird to say, but it smells like cream. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know that smell. It's not like a fruity smell. It's not like a overpower. Like, it doesn't smell like fruits or berries or apples or anything. It just smells like a hand cream. That's it. It feels really good going on. I'm going to have to wear it a few times in a row just to see how I like it, but it feels really good. It feels like it sits on your skin for a little bit and doesn't just rub off like sometimes lotion can. And I have 3 of the same thing. So I think what I'm going to do is keep one. No, I'm going to keep 2. I'm keeping 2, damn it. And then I'm going to give away 1. Since I have 3, I will share with you guys. And I'm going to put this one in a giveaway. So there, okay? There we go. There we go, nail crew. I'm going to share with you. So I'm going to put my creams away. And I left one out so that you guys can look at it and be like, oh, yeah, I want that. And then hopefully you enter my giveaway. And good luck. All right, so now let's look at these tips. Now, this is what I'm really, really, really excited for. So Modelones asked me to try the cream, right? And I said, well, sure, if you also let me try them nail tips. Because I was looking at these nail tips and I really wanted some new nail tips for Tuesday and Nala. The ones that I have been using is running out. I've been practicing all the time and they're running out. Like, naturally, they're going to run out. So I really wanted to try some more full well nail tips. And I think these are going to work, guys. I think they're going to work. Other things you could do with these nail tips, because you see how they're not like too thin or anything. So other things you could do with these nail tips is use them as the APRES dupe. Just exactly like the set that I'm wearing now. You could use these tips for that and you'll get about the same length nail that I'm wearing right now. So if you like the length of these nails, then you could use these tips for that. But that's not why I wanted these. I strictly wanted these tips for Nala and Tuesday because I needed more practice tips. So I have Tuesday right here. I'm about to put some cream on her because she stay ashy, and I just wonder if this will make her look soft and supple. No, I don't intend to use the cream on her regularly at all. But I just wanted to see if it'll make her look less ashy. And it's working. Shoot, I got 2 containers of cream. Maybe one will be for me and my clients, and the other one will be for Nala and Tuesday, because I know you guys get tired of watching the videos and they just look so ashy all the time, but it's not my fault. When I file, because they're silicone, so whenever I file, the dust literally just sticks to them and it just makes them look ashy. So now I'm crossing my fingers and I'm hoping that these tips fit in her, because she looks nice and shiny and she looks brand new. She looks new again. So that's a thumbs up. That's a plus. If these tips fit in her, oh my God, like my day is made. And those look really, really good. But my problem is, a size 5 is what I would put in the ring finger and the pointer finger. So what I want to do is try to see if there's another size that I could use, because I always run out of size 5s because I have to use that for 2 different fingers. So I run out of size 5s doubly quick, doubly as fast as I would any other tip. So I'm trying a size 4 and that looks perfect. Oh my God. Okay. So if I could use a size 4 in the ring finger and then I could use a size 5 in the pointer finger, I won't run out of my size 5s. Oh my gosh. That is so good. Okay. Okay. I'm happy. So far, the cream is working great. It feels good on my hand and it's making Tuesday look nice and shiny and new again. And so far, I found tips to fit the ring finger and the pointer finger. I'm going to go in with a size 3 for this middle finger, and that fits perfectly as well. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, I found tips for her. I found tips for her. Yes. Oh my God. Okay. So now, okay. So I have 2 size 5s. What? Yeah. Okay. See? Okay. That means I'm not the only one going through. Oh my gosh. Okay. Model ones. Yes. So they gave me 2 size 5s. So that means if I did want to use a size 5 in the ring finger and the pointer finger, because they are literally the same size, then I won't run out as fast. Oh my, okay, so that's good. That is really good. I could use a size 5 or a size 4. So I have more options here. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, okay, great. So the pinky one fits perfectly. I am very happy right now. Oh my goodness, y'all just don't know. Because what's the point of having a nice silicone practice hand if you can't find nail tips to fit her? You know what I'm saying? Like, you have to have good nail tips, and then also you don't want the nail tips to be super expensive either. Like, you have to have a balance. You have to find something affordable and something that will fit. So thank God. Okay, the nail gods are like, oh, Nikki, here you go, some nail tips. All right, so now let's find one for the thumb. What if I couldn't find one for the thumb? I got all 4 fingers and they fit great, and then I get to the thumb and it's too big or too small. Oh my gosh. I know that's not gonna happen, but that would be funny. All right, so I put a size 1 in, and a size 1 looks pretty good. But I want to try a size 0 because the 1 fit, but it was like a little gap on the side. So I'm gonna get a 0. And if the 0 fits, that's the one I will use. When it runs out, then I'll just go back and use the size 1. So it's not a big deal if the size 0 does not fit at all. So let's see. Fingers crossed. Boom. Okay. Okay, that's perfect. Oh my God, that's perfect. All right, great. So I could use a 0, and when those run out, I'll use a size 1. As far as the ring finger and the pointer finger, I could use a size 5 or a size 4. Thumbs up. And then so the rest of these, I am just going to store away back in the little bag that it came in, and I will use them for backups, or I'll use them if I want to practice some kind of nail art or just whatever, just practice on them. So I'll store those away. If I need more swatch sticks or something of that nature, that's what I'll use that for. And then these over here, let me show you guys how I store the nail tips that I use for Nala and Tuesday. Let me show you guys what I do. So this bag, if you remember, came from the company Sparkle & Co. And it came with a whole dip kit in it, right? And I was like, what am I going to do with this bag? What am I going to do with this bag? Well, this is where Nala and Tuesday sleeps. They have like their little bunk bed situation in there. So they sleep on the top. And then down here on the bottom is a little zipper pouch. And this is where I keep the nail tips that I use for them. So if you remember, these were the tips I was using and I was running out. See, look. This is a size 5. And obviously I was running out of the size 5s faster than the other ones because I was having to use it for the pointer and the ring finger. So now that I have these new tips, I am just so happy. I'm going to put them right in here. And these fit way better than the other ones I was using anyway. So I'm just so happy. I'm motivated again to do some nails. I was kind of sad because I was running out and I was like, oh, I don't want to buy some more tips and then they don't fit and then I got to send them back and I got to get some more. So I really, really lucked out. All right. So like I said, I am so totally motivated to do nails again now that I found some tips that fit her really well. So I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek of the video that I'm posting tomorrow. It is a collab that I'm doing with a few of my Facebook group sisters. As you know, I do have that Facebook group that I just started for small YouTubers. If you want to do a sub for sub, if you want to do a collab, what have you. It's a small group. It's only about 200 people in there, but you're welcome to join and drop your YouTube channel, drop your collab ideas. And hopefully your channel grows. I'm not saying you're going to get in that group and you're going to gain like 10,000 subscribers. But, you know, hopefully you join, you make new friends, and maybe get maybe about 50 new subscribers. I don't know. Anything is better than nothing in my book. That's what I say. So anyway, this set is from the video that I'm going to post tomorrow. And it is a gold collab, a fall gold collab. So I did some acrylics and I did some really cute nail art. Oh, you're going to love it. You're going to love it. Make sure you tune in tomorrow. And again, I just want to show you guys these tips from Modelones because they do fit her so well. And here is that cream again. Good luck for everyone that enters my giveaway. One of these creams will be yours. And that is it. Let me know what you guys are using as far as hand creams and as far as nail tips for your Nala or your Tuesday because I'm interested and I want to know what's the best thing out there. That is it, guys. That's all I have for you today. I hope this video was helpful for anyone that was looking for hand cream and or looking for new tips for their Nala or their Tuesday. I will see you guys tomorrow.